Hello guys, so I'll be making this 8 inches 2-minute layered whipped cream frosting cake for a 16-year-old boy. The client was so specific with the cake flavor they wanted. I think the boy is a fan of chocolate cake, so I had to prepare my moist chocolate cake, allowed it to cool down, and voila, frost it. So I frosted this with my yummy super stable whipped cream frosting, and I filled it with the whipped cream also. So the first thing I did was to stack my cake. Afterwards, I decided to cover it fully. So the thing is, because I'm so used to covering of cake and I can handle cake properly without having crumbs, I don't bother crumb coating my cake. I just put in my whipped cream straight up and I dive into the necessary decoration I have to do. So I had to fully cover my cake, then I started smoothing it with my palette knife and my smoother, or I call it cake comb at times. So I kept on doing that until I was able to achieve my desired look for the cake, because the cake has to have a nice plain canvas before I can actually add other designs I want to add on it. That's why you see that I keep on smoothing it till it gives me what I want. Besides having a yummy cake, you also need to have an attractive design to your cake. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Please don't forget to follow our social media platforms, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. So at this point, I was already done with my plain canvas. The next thing I did was to place the topper I would like to put on the cake, and I started giving it my Rossette piping. So at some point when I got to where the name was, I realized that I didn't space it properly, so I had to change it to the shell mode, and I gave the base of the cake some star piping. I had to make it have the ombre look of two colors, and I can also call it marble. And voila, the cake is ready. Do you like what you're seeing? I had to increase the look, enhance it with my dredges. It could also be called silver pearl. They are edible, so that it gives it this extra nice look. So I like to go with silver anytime I'm working with a male, and I like to go with gold when I'm working with females. Do you like what you see? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Bye.